Hey guys, we know there are 26 letters and every letter has a sound. We need to know our sounds so that we can read and write. Let's practice them. They're all mixed up. Apple, a, egg, e. Iguana, I. Octopus, o. Umbrella, u. Bear, b. Duck, d. Pig, p. Queen, q. Kite, k. Cat, c. Sun, s. Zebra, z. Gate, g. Jar, j. Yo-yo, y. Nest, n. Leaf, l. Wagon, w. Fish, f. Turtle, t. Monkey, m. House, h. Rainbow, r. Van, v. Fox ends in x, and x says x. Keep practicing your letter sounds, and you'll be reading in no time. Hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more videos. See you next time.